Chalo, right? Yes. Hello Suma. Hello Pranav. Welcome to today's class on YouTube. Right? थोड़ा लेट हुआ, सॉरी यार. हाँ, टेक्निकल इशू था थोड़ा. हम्म. चलो, तो CIL पेपर वन. ठीक है, तो CIL पेपर वन का आज लास्ट YouTube क्लास है. ठीक है, YouTube में आज लास्ट क्लास है. टुडे इज द लास्ट क्लास इन YouTube. Okay, the numerical ability part 2, right? Yesterday we did a class on numerical ability part 1. Today we are doing a class on numerical ability part 2. So the same set of 15 questions, okay, with different various ideas, different types. ठीक है, numerical ability का portions हमेशा same होता है. Numerical ability is not like general English. Okay, numerical ability general English और reasoning के type नहीं है इतना सारा portions रहने के लिए. Numerical ability का portions बहुत कम है. उसमें से 15-16 सेट है न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी में, उससे ही क्वेश्चंस आएगा, पर क्वेश्चंस ट्विस्टेड वे में आएगा, ट्रिकियर वे में आएगा. वो कैसे कैसे आएगा वो अभी मैं दिखाऊंगा. राइट? सो हेलो श्रद्धा, गुड मॉर्निंग. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर क्लास. ओके, ए मैन लेफ्ट 1/7 of his property to his daughter and the remaining to his sons to be equally divided among them. If the share of each son be double than that of daughter, then find the number of sons. Okay, a man left 1/7 of his property to his daughter and the remaining to his sons to be equally divided. Right? Equally divide kiya sons ko. If the share of each son be double than that of daughter, how much is the number of sons? Right? The share of each son is double than that of the daughter. So how many number of sons are there? You guys have to find it. Right? A trickier question, but it's only a 2-line answer. Right? Give me the answer. Ayush is giving it as B. Chalo. We'll wait for others. Pranav, Shraddha. Pranav C. B3. पोल नहीं है YouTube पे. YouTube पे पोल नहीं है. चलो, let's go on with it. It is option B. Yes. Let the total property be N. Okay. The property given to daughter is P/7, right? The total property is N. Property given to daughter is P/7. तो क्या होगा आंसर? What is the remaining property? Similarly, we have done this, right? P minus P/7, which is 6P/7. Okay, 6P/7 is given to all the sons, right? 6P/7 is given to all the sons. Each son gets twice the property of his daughter, right? So what is the property? P/7. So it will be 6N/7 into k is equal to 2n/7, right? 6n/7 into k is equal to 2n/7. N cancel, k will be equal to 3. Clear? 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are, k will be equal to 3. That's it. A 2-line answer. P minus P/7, you get 6P/7. What they are told? The share of the daughter is single, this is double, right? Twice the property of daughter. So it is 6P/7 into k is equal to 2P/7. 7 cancel होगा, PP cancel होगा, 2 1s are 2 3s are, right? 2 1s are 2 3s are. So k equals 3. K equals 3, which is option B. Clear? Clear everyone? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, Pranav? सॉरी उल्टा करना था. 6k equals to, yes, it will come as 1/3. It is उल्टा करना था. This should be actually here. So it is 2n/7 into k is equal to 6n/7. Okay. So this equation उल्टा लिखो. Okay. It is 2n/7 into k is equal to 6n/7. 7 n. So it is 2k is equal to 6. So k is equal to 3. Right. 2k is equal to 6, k is equal to 3. So don't follow this. It is 2n/7 is equal to 6n/7, right? Yes, it is the other side. थैंक यू प्रणव, थैंक यू आयुष। ठीक है, चलो चलो द नेक्स्ट वन। Four metal rods of length 78 centimeter, 104 centimeter, 117 centimeter and 169 centimeter are to be cut into parts of equal length. Each part must be as long as possible. What is the maximum number of pieces that can be cut? Okay, there are four metal rods 78, 104, 117 and 169 which are to be cut into parts of equal length. Each part must be as long as possible. Okay, each part must be as long as possible. What is the maximum number of pieces that can be cut? Ayush is pretty fast. Okay, we'll wait for others. 36। जब सब लोग बोल रहे 36 तो 36 ही होगा आंसर, है ना। फोर metal rods are 78, 104, 117, 169, right? So what do? We factorize them. We factorize all of them, right? We do the factorization of all of them. 78, 13 into 2 into 3, 104, 13 into 2 into 2 into 2, LCM किया सबका, right? 117, 13 into 3 into 3, 169, 13 into 13. So which is the longest here? Okay, the length of each part will be HCF क्या है इधर? So this is a question on HCF and LCM. What is the HCF here? Right, 13. The highest common factor in all of them is 13, right? So number of pieces, how much will be the number of pieces? It is 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13, right? 6, 2 3s are, right? 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? 9, 3 into 3, okay, 9 और 13 जो बचा है इधर, this one. So add everything. 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13, 36, right? कल भी ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम किया था, you guys might remember. Okay, so 13 is the HCF, सबको निकाल रहा हूं मैं, the others I am just adding. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 13 as 13. Adding everything, you'll get the answer as 36. Clear with this, everyone? Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one, guys? स्टक हो गया क्या वीडियो? Shall I go to the next solution? Next question. Okay. Okay. Yes. The average earning of a mechanic for the first 4 days of a week is rupees 18, and for the last 4 days is rupees 22. Okay. Last 4 days is rupees 22. If he earns rupees 20 on the fourth day, his average earning for the whole week is dash. Okay, average earning of a mechanic for the first 4 days of the week is 18 and the last 4 days is 22. If he earns rupees 20 on the fourth day, his average earning for the whole week will be dash. Whole week का average उसका कितना होगा? Video is not clear. Suma, I think you are watching it with low resolution. Watch it with high resolution. ठीक है? तो ये तो I cannot make the video clear. It is actually in YouTube, right? So just watch it in high resolution, right? High resolution. चलो सब लोगों ने दे दिया आंसर, right? Yes, it is very easy, but people get tricked with here, right? 4 and 4, right? 4 and 4 उधर से लोगों का ट्रिक हो जाता है, right? It is very easy. Total earning for the week is equal to sum of earning of first 4 days, sum of earning of last 4 days minus earning of fourth day. That's it, right? Minus earning of fourth days. So sum of earning of first 4 days is 18, 22, 20, right? So it is 4 into 18 minus 4 into 22 minus 20, right? 4 into 18 minus 4 into 22 minus 20. तो कितना हुआ 20, right? 20 is the answer, which is option C. Clear everyone? 4 into 18 plus 4 into 22 minus 20. तो उतना ही एवरेज है, right? It is a single line answer. 4 into 18, 4 into 22 minus 20, which is 140. So average earning कितना days है? How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? 7 days are there in a week, right? 7 days are there in a week. So average divided by 7 days, total number, total salary by 7 days. एक दिन का कितना होगा? 20 rupees, right? एक दिन का कितना होगा? It will be 20 rupees. His average earning for the whole week is actually 140. Average earning पूछा है. Average earning मतलब क्या है? Divided by 7, right? Average मतलब क्या है? What does average mean? Your marks in all the tests divided by the number of tests, right? Your marks in all the tests divided by number of tests. So इधर average का मतलब क्या होगा? 140 divided by 7, 20, right? If they ask you a question, what is your average marks in all the tests? What you will tell? You got 90 marks in 3 tests. So what is your average? 90, right? 90 plus 90 plus 90 divided by 3, 90 is your average. Like that, 140 by 7, 20 is the average. Clear? Clear everyone? Chalo. Shall we move on to the next one? Right? Yes. If x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11, find the values of x and y respectively, right? So here the question is like this: x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11. What are the values of x and y? What are the values of x and y? Two and 6, right? 2 and 6. So option A, yes, it is 2 and 6. So what are the given things here? X plus y minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11, right? So first two I am taking into consideration, right? First two, solve this and get the equation, right? X plus y minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3, right? ये दोनों equations ले रहा हूँ मैं. So it is A, B, C. First I am taking these two and solving the equations, right? Solving the equations. I'll get this for equation, right? When I solve both A and B, I'll get one equation which I'll name it as equation 1, right? X minus y is equal to minus 4, right? X minus y is equal to minus 4. 3x 3y, x minus y is equal to minus 4. This one. Again what I'm doing, I'm taking B and C. First I took A and B. First I took A and B, I got this one. Next I am taking B and C. Next I am taking B and C. So x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. ठीक है? B and C ले रहा हूँ. From that I am giving another equation, right? From that I am getting another equation. This will be equation 2. So multiply equation 2 into 2, right? So it is x plus y minus 4, 2x plus 19y equals 118, right? In दोनों में से x can be similar, right? X can be similar. So multiply this into 2, right? Multiplying equation 1 into 2, not equation 2, okay? Equation 1 into 2, okay? This will be 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 19y is equal to 118, right? Is equal to 118. Solve this. X और x cancel हो जाएगा. इधर क्या मिलेगा? Minus 2y plus 19y. Minus 2y plus 19y. Minus 21y is equal to minus 126. So y will be 6. Right? Y will be 6. You don't have to go for the others. Right? इधर दिया है 2,6. Y is already 6. Don't solve for x. It is option A. Right? No need to waste time here. ठीक है? Time waste नहीं करने का है. क्योंकि CIL में ऐसा क्वेश्चन ही मिलता है, राइट? सो दैट यू कैन सॉल्व देम विद इन 30 to 40 seconds, राइट? विद इन 30 to 40 सेकेंड सॉल्व करने वाला क्वेश्चन ही मिलेगा CIL में. So just see for y, 6 is there, give it the answer. Or else you guys can find the x also, substituting the equation of y in any one of these equations. Don't put here, okay, put it here, okay, in this 1 and 2 only, put it, you'll get the value of x also, right? You'll get the value of x also, right? Okay, today I am bringing CIL questions itself, right? कल मैंने I did various other questions, but now I am getting CIL questions itself, right? Why? Because in another 2 days you guys will be having the exam. तो अगर मैं ज्यादा difficult questions लाऊंगा, it will be a problem for you. So I am getting the CIL direct questions of CIL, जो आप 30 सेकंड 40 सेकंड में solve कर सकते हो, right? Clear everyone? Everyone clear with this? Shall I move on to the next one now? चलो, question 5. In a school, midday meal food is sufficient for 250 students for 33 days. Okay, if each student is given 125 gram meals, 80 more students joined the school. If the same amount of meal is given to each student, then the food will last for how many days? Right? Time and work problem. Midday meal is sufficient for 250 students for 33 days. Each student is given 125 gram meals. Okay, 80 more students are added to the school. Okay, if the same amount of meal, that is 125 gram of meal, is given to each student, how long will the food last for? How long will the food last for? Use the work efficiency formula, right? M1 D1 W1 is equal to M2 D2 W2. Use karo, you'll get the answer, right? You get the answer in just 2 minutes. 2 minutes में नहीं, we'll get the answer in 30 seconds. M1 D1 W1, okay, the 125 gram meals, it is going to be the same दोनों side, right? Work W1 equals W2 same होगा, okay? M1 M2, this 250 and 250 plus 80, so that will be M1 and M2, right? You have to find out D1 and D2. D1 दिया है, D2 आपको find out करना है. D1 is given 33 days. What is D2? You have to find out, right? As clear it is answer, right? Option D, right? It is 25 days. So M1 D1 W1 is equal to M2 D2 W2, right? So what is M1? What is M1? M1 is 250, right? M1 is 250. M2 is 250 plus M2 is 250 plus 80. 250 plus 80 कितना है? 330, right? D1 is 33. D2 मुझे पता नहीं, right? और W1 is equal to W2 is equal to 125 gram, right? W1 is equal to W2 is equal to 125 gram. तो substitute करो, 250 into 33 into 125 is equal to 330 into D2 into 125, right? So what will be D2? D2 is equal to 250 into 33 into 125 divided by 330 into 125, right? 330 into 125. So 1s are 10s are, दोनों cancel, 10 1s are 10 25s are, right? So D2 equals 25, right? D2 equals 25 days. D2 is equal to 25 days. Clear? Clear everyone? It's buffering. Shall I move to the next question? अरे बफर हो रहा है, YouTube पे भी ये प्रॉब्लम आ गया. हाँ, क्या बात है, ये प्रॉब्लम मेरा पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रहा है बफर का. ओके चलो, राइट. यस चाहत, ओके, यू मीन्स वो क्या होता है, सी सम पीपल वोंट अंडरस्टैंड द सॉल्यूशन, राइट? फॉर देम आई सॉल्व इट अगेन. मैं सीधा बताते जाऊंगा ना, सम पीपल वोंट गेट इट. बाद में क्या होता है, सी यू पीपल विल गिव मी लाइक्स, यू पीपल विल लाइक सर ने सॉल्यूशन किया, लाइक करो. कुछ लोग डिसलाइक कर देंगे. वो प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, दे विल बी लाइक ही इज नॉट सॉल्विंग द सॉल्यूशन, ही इज जस्ट शोइंग द सॉल्यूशन। तो दोनों तरफ से करना पड़ता है, राइट, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम। ओके, मैं ट्राई करूंगा थोड़ा कम करूं, ठीक है। चलो, नाउ क्वेश्चन 6, Amit starts from a point A and walks to another point B and then returns from B to A by his car and thus takes a total time of 6 hours 45 minutes. If he had driven both ways in his car, he would have taken 2 hours less. How long would it take for him to walk both the ways? How long would it take for him to walk both the ways? So tell me the answer here, right? Actually, I can solve it directly, Chahat. Okay, I can place a whiteboard, I can solve it directly, but my handwriting is very bad. Okay, my handwriting is literally bad, you guys might have seen it. इसलिए मैं सॉल्यूशन भी साइड में रख लेता हूँ। मतलब जब मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, अगर मेरा हैंडराइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो सॉल्यूशन देख लो। इट हैपेंस because once I did the same video before, so I used to solve in the whiteboard itself. People were not understanding my handwriting, they were thinking it as another solution, right? तो इसलिए वो मेरे में वो प्रॉब्लम है, राइट, हैंडराइटिंग का, इसलिए मैं सॉल्व नहीं करता हूँ, मींस आई कीप इट नेक्स्ट। हाँ, पेपर पे अच्छी होगी पर ये पेन टैब में उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है, राइट। ए सी ए, चलो सबको डाउट्स है, राइट, इट इज डी, it is D, option D. Let W be the time taken in one way by walking and C be the time taken in one way by car. See the question properly. He starts from point A and walks and returns from B to A by car. Okay, so there are 2 points basically, A to B. From here he walks and when he's returning he comes by car, right? When he's returning he's coming by car, है ना? So let W be the time he's taking by walking and C be the time he's taking by car. According to the question, W plus C is 6 hours 45 minutes, right? W plus C is 6 hours 45 minutes, है ना? W plus C is 6 hours 45 minutes, or 2W plus 2C equals 13 hours 30 minutes. I'm multiplying it into 2, right? I'm multiplying it into 2. So 2W plus 2C equals 13 hours 30 minutes. In second case, 2C equals 4 hours 45 minutes, right? He would have taken 2 hours less, that is 6 hours 45 minutes minus 2. 6 hours 45 minutes minus 2. So in the second case it is 2C equals 4 hours 45 minutes. Second is 2C equals 4 hours 45 minutes. दोनों को लो अभी, 2W plus 2C equals 13 hour 30 minutes. So what is 2C? What is 2C? 2C क्या है इधर? Substitute. Substitute this. 2W plus 4 hour 45 minutes is equal to 13 hours 30 minutes. So 2W equals 13 hour 30 minutes minus 4 hour 45 minutes, right? 2W equals 8 hours 45 minutes. So if he walks both the ways, that is return journey, 1W plus 1W, A to BW, B to CW. If he walks both the ways, he will take 8 hours 45 minutes, right? Option D. Four hour 45 minutes. Mahmuda, it is D, 8 hour 45 minutes. देखो ये भी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट? इवन दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी, राइट? दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी, बट व्हाट हैपेंड, अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया आप सबको, है ना? थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया। ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत इजी है, ये क्वेश्चन कोई यू नो इट इज नॉट अ ट्रिकियर क्वेश्चन और समथिंग एल्स, राइट? इवन दिस क्वेश्चन इज इजी। Okay, so it is 8 hour 45 minute. 2C equals 4 hour 45 minute. Substitute 2C here, it will be 8 hour 45 minute. Yeah, see here Mahmuda, if we had driven both ways in car, Baba, if we had driven both ways in car, that is 2C equals 4 hour 45 minute. It is not 1C. Okay, तो क्या बोला है इधर? If we had driven both ways in car, both ways in car, so 2C equals 4 hour 45 minute, right? So both ways in walking हमें find out करना है, right? 2W equals 8 hour 45 minute. Clear? Yes. Okay, it is clear. Two ways अगर कार से चलाया होता तो 2 घंटा लेस होता, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है अगर दोनों भी वो वॉकिंग में जाता तो कितना होता, राइट? दोनों भी अगर वॉकिंग में जाता तो कितना होता। चलो, shall I move on to the next one? चलो, from the top of a 25-meter high, okay, from the top of a 25-meter high, the angle of elevation of a tower, so from the top of a 25-meter high cliff का मतलब है mountain जैसा ऊपर, okay, the angle of elevation of a tower is found to be equal to the angle of depression of the foot of the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the tower is found to be equal to the angle of depression of the tower. Angle of elevation, angle of depression. So find the height of the tower now. Okay, सिर्फ एक height दिया है. From the top of a 25-meter high cliff, the angle of elevation of a tower is found to be equal to the angle of depression. ठीक है, तो find out the height of the tower. Height of the tower कितना होगा बताओ, right? Solve the question, then I'll give you guys the diagram. ठीक है, डायग्राम, हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस में हमेशा डायग्राम करना है, राइट? यू शुड ऑलवेज डू द डायग्राम इन हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस, राइट? सो व्हाट विल बी द डायग्राम हियर? सो फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ ए 25-meter high cliff, right? So 25-meter high cliff, the angle of depression, right? Right? Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation, right? So this is alpha, right? Yeah, alpha, use tan alpha, right? Use tan alpha and find it out. That's it, right? Use tan alpha and find it out. So let me name the triangle PQ, right? RST. PQRST. मुझे सिर्फ ये पता है, but that is enough. That is enough, right? That is enough. You guys will get the answer, right? Let QS be the cliff and PT be the tower. From Q, draw QR perpendicular to TP. QS equals 25 meter. In triangles RQP and STQ, we have PR by RQ is equal to tan alpha. तो दोनों साइड हम tan ही लेंगे, right? Okay. Yes. Base is same for both the towers. Base is same for both the towers. Take tan alpha both the sides. PR by RQ is equal to tan alpha. QS by ST equals tan alpha, right? Tan alpha gets cancelled. What I'll get? PR by RQ is equal to QS by ST, right? PR by RQ is equal to QS by ST. Now see the question here. QR equals ST, right? QR, it is equal to ST, right? Both are similar. QR equals ST, तो दोनों cancel हो जाता है, right? What I get? I get PR equals QS, right? I get PR equals QS. मुझे QS का value पता है, right? I know the value of QS, 25 meter. PT, so what is PR? PR RT, right? So TR equals PR plus RT. PR plus RT है ना? The total find out I should find out. I should find out TP, the total height. So it is TP equals TR plus RP, which is nothing but 2QS, 2 into 25, 50 meter, right? 2 into 25, 50 meter. So these are the type of questions you will get for CIL, right? Direct questions, ठीक है? Direct questions. Gate level का trickier questions देंगे. You guys will take more time to solve it, right? So they will give you questions which can be solved within 40 to 50 seconds. Okay, 40 to 50 seconds. थोड़ा confuse होकर time ले जाता है. That's it, right? Actually, numerical ability is the easiest topic. Numerical ability is the easiest topic for CIL. ठीक है? सिर्फ जनरल इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग और जनरल अवेयरनेस, इन तीनों में स्टूडेंट्स का टाइम लेता है, राइट? जनरल अवेयरनेस, जनरल नॉलेज टाइम नहीं लेता, पर आंसर नहीं पता रहता है, राइट? दैट इज द रीजन. बट रीजनिंग and general English, it will take time, right? Reasoning and general English will take time. It is not taking time, okay? It will reduce. मतलब क्या है? You won't get the right answer. Reasoning बहुत सारा answers होते हैं, right? That is the problem. That's it, right? चलो. Question number 8. Speed of a motorboat in still water is 45 km/h. If the motorboat travels 80 km along the stream in 1 hour 20 minutes, then the time taken by it to cover the same distance against the stream will be dash. Okay, against the stream, same distance against the stream, opposite the stream, and this is boats and streams. Okay, don't confuse it with speed, train and distances. Okay, problems or trains nahi hai, these are boats and streams. Speed of boat in still water is 45 km/h. If it travels 80 km along the stream in 1 hour 20 minutes, what will be the time taken by it to cover the same distance against the stream, opposite the stream? 4 options, right? चलो बताओ आंसर. 8C, huh? 2 hours 40 minutes, you are meaning A, 3 hours. This is 2 hours 40 minutes. Chalo, we'll see the answer for this, right? It is option C. Okay, it is option C. It is 2 hours 40 minutes. Let the speed of the current be x, right? So there will be two speeds, right? There will be two speeds in a boat and stream. Speed of the current, speed of the still water, right? Speed of the current, speed of the still water. Speed of the current pata nahi hai. Let us name it as x km/h. Speed of the motorboat in still water, we know it, right? In still water it is 45. In current we don't know. In still water 45, right? Rate downstream, right? Downstream ka rate kya hai? What is the rate of downstream? It is x plus 45, right? Downstream rate क्या है? Speed of the current plus speed of the still water. X plus 45 kilometer per hour, right? X plus 45 kilometer per hour. According to the question, what they have told, it completes the stream in 1 hour 20 minutes, right? It completes the stream in 1 hour 20 minutes. That is 80, right? What is 80? 80 is the distance divided by speed, which is x plus 45 is equal to 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes, write it in form of fractions. Okay, writing 1 hour 20 minutes in form of fractions, 4 by 3 hours, right? 4 by 3 hours, है ना? It is 4 by 3 hours. So now you'll get a equation here, right? So sorry, I have written everywhere as p. It is x, okay? It is x. So you'll get 80 divided by x plus 45 is equal to 4 by 3. Cross multiply karo, you'll get the equation here, right? Which is 4x plus 180 is equal to 240, right? Is equal to 240. So x will be 15 kilometer per hour. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the same distance against the stream, right? With the stream is called as downstream. With the stream is called as downstream. Opposite to the stream, right? Against the stream will be called as upstream. Up the stream, right? Downstream is easy. With the water is easy, right? आराम से जा सकता है boat. Against the water tough है. ज़्यादा effort लगाना पड़ता है. ज़्यादा effort लगाना पड़ता है. So that is called as upstream. So downstream अगर plus हुआ तो upstream क्या होगा? Minus होगा, right? So it is 45 minus 15, 30, right? Then you find out the required time. Then you find out the required time. So it is 4 by 3 hours. This will be 80 by 30 hours, right? 80. Again d by s. So 80. What is the speed? 30. 80 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. Which is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 into this. You'll get it as 2 hours 40 minutes. Right? 2 hours 40 minutes. Clear? Clear with this everyone? 2 hours 40 minutes is the answer. Okay, see, don't get confused here. 8 by 3 into 60, 3 ones are 3 20s are 8 20s are 160 minutes, right? 160 minutes matlab kya hai? It is 120 plus 40, right? So it is 2 hours 40 minutes. Chalo, okay, we'll move on to the next one now. Are you? Okay, 8, 9, yes, 9 question, sorry. Okay, so this is a simple interest question, right? A sum of rupees 1550 was lent partly at 5% and partly at 8% per annum simple interest. Okay, the total interest received after 4 years was 400 rupees. The ratio of the money lent at 5% to the money lent at 8% is dash. So you have to find out the money lent at 8% and money lent at 5% and get their ratio. उनका ratio क्या है बताना है, okay? A sum का मतलब है principal. Right, the principal of 1550, it is lent partly at 5% and partly at 8% per annum simple interest. Total interest 4 साल के लिए हो गया 400. तो रेशियो कितना होगा 5% और 8% का. Okay, so Vipul is telling it as A. Chalo, right? Yes, it is A. So let the sum lent at 5% be P, okay? Let the sum lent at 8% be 1550 minus P. So I always tell this, okay? So this is basically P plus P is equal to 1550, right? दोनों p मिलाकर. So if I get 1p, the second p will be 1500 minus p, right? The second p will be 1500 minus p. So that is what you are doing here. One is p, the another one is 1550 minus p. Okay, what they have told, this one is at 5% interest, right? This one is at 8%. Total interest after 4 years we get 400, right? Total interest after 4 years is 400. So calculate it now. So it is, what is simple interest formula? P into R into T by 100, right? Simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. So it is 1 plus 2. So it is P into 5, 5% into 4, 4 years. दोनों को 4 years रखा है, right? Divide by 100 plus, what is the P here? 1550 minus P into 8 into 4 by 100, which is 400, right? Solve this equation. This equation will be 20p minus 32p plus 1550 into 32 is 40,000, right? So this is nothing but minus 12p equals minus 9600, p equals 800, right? P equals 800. So sum lent at 8% will be 1500 minus p, right? Which is 1500 minus 800, which is 750, right? Which is 750. The required ratio क्या है? What is p? P is 800. 800 is to 750, right? 800 is to 750. So it is 16 is to 15, right? 16 is to 15. 5 16s are, that is 50 16s are, 50 15s are, right? 50 16s are, 15 15s are. Option A. Clear? Chalo. Let's move on to the next question. We'll finish off, right? Question 10. A man borrows rupees 5100 to be paid back with compound interest at the rate of 4% by the end of 2 years in 2 equal yearly installments. In 2 equal yearly installments. How much will each installment be, right? He is borrowing 5100 as a loan. It is at compound interest and the rate is 4% per annum, and by the end of 2 years he has to pay 2 equal yearly installments. How much will be each installment? How much will each installment be? RS2. Okay, you are telling the answer. मुझे लगा कोई मिसाइल का नाम है. RS20104. चलो. Okay. Okay. Today the questions are easy, right? Today the questions are easy, right? Because I was putting some tough questions, so I got some reviews that sir please put some direct questions क्योंकि tough questions से हमारा confidence कम हो रहा है, right? So इसलिए I have put some direct questions, okay, which they will ask in CIL, right? So let each installment be n, okay? Let each installment be n. According to the question, it is n divided by 1 plus 4 by 100 plus n divided by 1 plus 4 by 100 is equal to 5100, right? Is equal to 5100. Here you have to put the power 2, right? N divided by 1 plus 400, right? Okay, n divided by 1 plus 400, which is first one. Okay, n divided by 1 plus 400, which is second year, right? Which is second year. दोनों को मिला के 5100 है. So solve this, you'll get the equation, right? This is 25n by 26 and this is square, so ये होगा 625n by 676, right? Is equal to 5100. So this is literally equal to 1275n equals 5100 into 676. So n will be equal to 2704, right? N will be equal to 2704. Chal, right? Option A. Right? Sir, tough पूछना next session में. ठीक है? Okay, so today will be the last session on YouTube, Vipul. Tomorrow 10 a.m. in Unacademy. Okay, Unacademy app है आपके पास. Do you have the Unacademy app? In Unacademy, I'll be taking the numerical ability part 3 tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow 10 a.m. So in this session, we will be practicing some tough questions. This session won't be telecasted on YouTube. This will be in Unacademy platform itself, right? Okay, this will be platform itself, Unacademy platform. So just come here tomorrow. Tomorrow we will solve some difficult questions. Okay, 10 a.m. Unacademy platform, numerical ability part 3, right? Sir, English is so fluent. Kidhar? You are telling my English is fluent? The next question, okay. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 200% and the denominator of the fraction is increased by 150%, the resulted fraction is 9 by 35. What is the original fraction? The numerator of the fraction is increased by 200%, denominator is increased by 150%, resultant is 9 by 35. तो original fraction कौन सा है इसमें से? Your English. Thank you, Vipul. Okay. I have my students, Mahmuda, Pranav and all. They help me in learning English. So my English is good. Right, Pranav? Right, Mahmuda? प्रणव महमूदा बात नहीं कर रहे अभी, रूठ गए होंगे. चलो, okay, it is C, right? Vipul is telling it as C, right? KK, Kunal Kamra, huh? Chalo, option C. So it's an easy one again, right? Let the fraction be P bar Q, right? Let the fraction be P bar Q. So what they have told, the end one is 9 by 35, right? The end one is 9 by 35. First, I am increasing the numerator by 200 and denominator by 150, right? Increasing the numerator by 200, denominator by 150. So it is nothing but 3p, right? First one is p plus 2p divided by q. So increasing the numerator by 200%. Next, increasing the denominator by 150%. So that will be 3 by 2q, right? 3 by 2q. So it is p plus 2p by q plus 3 by 2q is equal to 9 by 35, which is nothing but 3p divided by 5q, right? So it is 3p by 5q into 2 equals 9 by 35. Cross multiply karo. So it is p by q equals, okay, 9 by 35 into 5 by 6, right? Into 5 by 6. 3 2s are 6p hoga. So taking it this side, 5 by 6. Cross multiplication again, you get it as 3 by 14, right? P by Q is 3 by 14. Option C, right? Option C. 40 seconds mein ho raha hai, right? You guys are able to solve everything within 40 seconds, right? 40 to 50 seconds. Last 4 questions are there. Last 4 questions, then the class will finish. You guys are able to solve everything within 40 minutes, right? That should be the motto, right? Within 40 minutes, sorry, 40 seconds, sorry, don't take 40 minutes. Within 40 seconds, you guys should solve all the questions. तभी आप जीए का पेपर जल्दी में फिनिश करोगे. टेक्निकल पेपर में थोड़ा टाइम लेना पड़ेगा आपको, क्योंकि टेक्निकल इज टू मच अबाउट टेक्निकल्स, राइट? सो टेक्निकल पेपर में थोड़ा टाइम लेता है. जीए पेपर इज लाइक दिस, सो यू हैव टू फिनिश इट एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल, है ना? चलो, क्वेश्चन 12. A merchant has 1000 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and the rest at 18% profit. He gains 14% on the whole. He gains 14% on the whole. The quantity sold at 18% profit is dash. The quantity sold at 18% profit is dash, right? Which is the quantity he sold at 18% profit. 1000 kg of sugar है, उसमें से 2 पार्ट किया उसने. एक पार्ट को 8% प्रॉफिट में बेच दिया, दूसरा पार्ट को 18% प्रॉफिट में बेच दिया. टोटल मिला के 14% उसको प्रॉफिट मिला टोटल. तो 18% प्रॉफिट वाला पार्ट कितने में बेचा, मींस हाउ मच इज द क्वांटिटी ही सोल्ड इट एट 18% प्रॉफिट, राइट? बाय द रूल ऑफ एलिगेशन. यस, rule of allegation, right? Rule of allegation. So 1000 एक part में 8 or 18, right? From that find out, you'll get the ratio, right? No, it is the paper, baba. The paper they give it. It's not technical part first, ठीक है? It is always paper 1 and paper 2. Government exam है ना? It is government exam, so it is always paper 1 and paper 2, right? It is always paper 1 and paper 2. चलो, right? So let the sugar sold at 8% gain, P, sugar at 18% gain, 1000 minus P, right? Let the Cp of sugar is Q per kg, total Cp is 1000 into Q, formulate the equation, right? Formulate the equation, 108 by 100 into PQ, that is 8%, or 118 by 100, which is 18%, दोनों का plus, right? Plus मिला के you'll get the total Q, 10P equals 4000, P equals 400. So quantity sold at 18% profit is 1000 minus P, 1000 minus 400, which is 600 kg. This is by the equation method. You guys can go for the alligation method also, right? Alligation method. Alligation method पे जाओगे, okay? By the rule of alligations, you will get 3 by 5, okay? One quantity is 2 by 5, one quantity is 3 by 5. So it is 3 by 5 into 1000, right? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 this, so it is 600, right? 5 into 200, 5 200s are 1000, 3 into 200 is 600 kg. So 2 by 5 is the 8% profit, 3 by 5 is the 18% profit, right? Rule of alligation. There are totally 5 parts, जिसमें से 3 part है 18% profit का, 2 part है 8% profit का. 3 by 5 into 1000, 600 kg. So you can go by any of the methods. Equation method या the alligation method, right? या the alligation method. 1000, 8 you can keep it. 8%, 18%, minus करो, you'll get the ratio here. You get the ratio here, solve it. 3, 5 मिलेगा आपका आंसर इधर, 3 और 5, right? So it is 3 and 2 you'll get, 3 and 2 as the answer. So it is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So 3 by 5 into 1000 is equal to this answer. 3 by 5 into 1000, 600. 2 by 5 into 1000, 400. Clear? Everyone? Alligation rule भी कर सकते हो. With the alligation rule it is actually easy. Alligation rules are very easy actually. Within like 10 seconds you will get the answer. But some people prefer equation method क्योंकि उनको alligation rule उतना समझ में नहीं आता, right? They are like they don't know what to substitute. It is confusing to them, right? So just 2 दिन मिला है exam में, so I don't want to give more confusions. So you can go by any of the method, जो भी आपको easy लगे, right? चलो, last 3 questions is there. We'll finish it off. A can contains a mixture of 2 liquids A and B in the proportion 7:5 when 9 liters of mixture are drawn off and the can is filled with B. The proportion of A and B becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially? Initially मतलब originally. इसमें 2 liquids है A और B और ये दोनों 7:5 के proportion में है. जब मैं 9 लीटर्स निकालता हूं इस मिक्सचर से और उसको B के प्रोपोर्शन में फिल करता हूं, ओके, B प्रोपोर्शन फिल करता हूं मैं, so it becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially or originally? Vipul is very fast, हाँ सर U-torrent, हाँ रखना पड़ता है यार कभी कभी, you know, कभी कभी कुछ चाहिए होता है. Yes, 7:9. It becomes 7:9. So 3, right? 7 3s are 21, right? It is as clear as that. Option D, right? Let the can initially contain 7y and 5y liters of mixture, okay? Thus, out of 12y mixture, right? So it is 7y plus 5y, which is 12y. 12y say minus 9 liters, right? From 12y's, I am taking out 9 liters out. From 12y, I am taking out 9 liters out. So what will be my equation? What will be my equation? 7y minus 9 by 12x into 7y, right? 7y minus 9 by 12x into 7y. So it is 28y minus 21 by 4, right? This is A. 28y minus 20 by 4. So 5y का क्या है? 5y also same way. 5y minus 9 by 12x into 5y, right? So 7 4s are, so it is 28. This one. So this one क्या आएगा? 5 4s are 20, right? 5 4s are 20 minus 15 by 4. दो equations मिल गया, right? What is the final ratio they are given? 7:9, right? What is the final ratio given? 7:9. So 28y minus 21 by 4, 20y minus 15 by 4 plus 9 is equal to 7:9. Formulate the equation. Y equals 3, right? Formulate the equation. Y equals 3. So 7 9 है, right? Final equation, right? 7:9 is there, which is A is to B. We have to find out A. which is 7, right? 7y, y equals 3, so it is 7 into 3, 21, right? Option D. Okay? Option D. Chalo, we'll move on to the last two questions. We'll finish it off fast, right? A park is in the form of a square one whose sides are 100 meters, right? It is a square one of whose sides is 100 meter. The area of the park, excluding the circular lawn in the center of the park, is 8614 meter square, right? It is 8614 meter square. The radius of the circular lawn is dash. The radius of the circular lawn is dash. There is a park which is in the square form. The sides are 100 meters. The area excluding the circular lawn is 8614 meters square. What is the radius of the circular lawn? What is the radius of the circular lawn? सर्कल का फॉर्मूला यूज करो पाई आर स्क्वायर, राइट? यूज द सर्कल फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर. Option A, area of the park is 100 into 100. What is area of a square? What is area of a square? Side into side, right? What is area of a square? Side into side. So side into side, एक side का value दिया है 100. So total area कितना होगा? 100 into 100, right? 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. What is area of circular lawn? It is area of park minus area of park excluding circular lawn, right? Area of the park, so circular lawn is equal to circular lawn minus square, right? So area of the park minus area of park excluding circular lawn. So area of the total one, it is given 10,000 minus 8614, right? This 1386. So this is circle, right? This is the total area of the circle. We know that circle is equal to pi r square, right? Pi r square हमें पता है. So it is 1386 is equal to pi r square. So r square is equal to 1386 divided by pi, and r is equal to square root of 1386 by pi, right? Square root of 1386 by pi, which is 21 meters, right? Which is 21 meters. Pi is nothing but 7 by 22, so don't get confused here, right? Pi is 22 by 7, but ये जब नीचे जाएगा it will become 7 by 22, मतलब ऊपर जाएगा ना 22 by 7, so the numerator will go up, so it becomes 7 by 22, right? 1386 into 7 by 22, 63 into 7, square root निकालो, 21 will be the answer, right? 21 is the answer, option A. चलो, let's move fast to the 15th question, right? A milk seller pays rupees 500 per kiloliter for his milk. Per kiloliter for his milk. He adds water to it and sells the mixture at 56p a liter, thereby making altogether 40% profit. Find the proportion of water to milk which is his customers receive. Okay, find the proportion of water to milk his customers receive. Okay, he pays rupees 500 per kiloliter for his milk. Okay, he adds water to it and sells the mixture 56p a liter, thereby making altogether 40% profit. So what is the proportion of water to milk? One is to 4, right? Yes, it is option A, 1 is to 4, right? It is option A, 1 is to 4. Yes, you guys can see Vipul has given the formula over there. Yes, it is true. 56 divided by 50 minus 56, right? 56 divided by 50 minus 56 into 40 plus 50 into 100, right? Into 40 plus 50, sorry, plus 40 into 50 into 100, right? Into 50, 100. So it is option A, right? As clear as that. 500 per kiloliter, 56p, right? So it is 56 divided by 50 minus 56. 56 divided by 50 minus 56 plus 40 into 50 by 100, right? Plus 40 into 50 by 100. 1 is to 4, right? 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 is the answer. Option A. Clear? Clear everyone? right? So that's it with the lesson. Okay, that's it with the lesson. So those people who want to buy the Gate plus ESC subscription, for 1 month it is 7,500 per month, and for this it is the same amount itself. Okay, so those who are preparing for Gate 2021 and ESC 2021 can go for these plans by applying my referral code and also my another code SAYT. You guys will be getting a 10% off, and that will be 6,750, right? 6,750. अगर आप इन प्लान्स में जाओगे, इन चार प्लान्स, you'll be getting 10 plus 10, 20% off, right? So 10% through my referral code and 10% through your Unacademy credits, right? So those people who want to buy for this plan, it is really good. Okay, the first month plan is a bit costlier, right? So instead of going for the first month plan, you guys can go for the 3 months plan, which is literally thrice, okay, twice the money में आपको 3 months का subscription मिल रहा है, right? Twice the money में. So you guys can go for these plans. They are actually very valuable compared to the first month. Okay, so this was the last session on YouTube, right? So those people who want to attend further sessions on numerical ability, you guys can come on the Unacademy platform, right? So I will give off the dates in the Unacademy platform. So tomorrow, okay, 10 a.m. you guys will be having numerical ability part 3. Okay, day after tomorrow, that is 26th, one day before your exams, at 10 a.m. you will be having reasoning part 2, and at 9 p.m. you guys will be having reasoning part 3. So these sessions I have not conducted in the YouTube. So those people who want to attend these sessions can come on the Unacademy platform and attend it, right? So if you guys have any doubts regarding the plus subscription or the general aptitude or for Gate or for anything regarding to general aptitude, English, numerical ability, please do email me on my email number, right? Email ID shreyas_arvind@yahoo.in, right? I will make sure I will clear out all your doubts. Okay, so this was the last session in YouTube, guys. Okay, if you want to attend the further sessions, you can come on the Unacademy platform. So these are free classes. Okay, these are free special classes. So 10 a.m. tomorrow, numerical ability part 3. Day after tomorrow, 10 a.m. reasoning part 2. 9 p.m. reasoning part 3. Okay, these sessions are not being took by me in YouTube, right? So thank you. I'll wait for 1 more minute. If there are any doubts, you guys can let me know. Okay, after that I will end the session. See you in the next session, that is in the March month, okay, with Gate sessions. Okay, so next month I'll be starting the Gate sessions, general aptitude, numerical ability sessions. Thank you, Vipul. Thank you, Pranav. Right, I hope so there are no more doubts. Okay, thank you guys for listening to the session. We'll meet soon in the Gate sessions in the coming month, right? Have a good day.